Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in my bedroom. Why am I in my bedroom, you're asking? That's because I'm gonna be doing a shampoo and hair mask review for you guys. Today I'm gonna be testing out the Amino Amazing Sleek Deep Moist Shampoo as well as the Amino Deep Repair Algae Mask. These two are from the brand Kosé Cosmeport. They are the #1 hair care brand in Japan. I have not tried these before, just to let you guys know. And for the sake of this review, I'm gonna just wash my hair on one side and not touch any shampoo or have any treatment on the other side so that we can see and feel and touch the difference. First up, the packaging is so beautiful. It's very sleek. It looks very luxurious. This one says there are 18 types of amino acids, and as we all know, amino acids are really good for not only our skin but also for our hair. Just a tiny bit. Ooh, it comes out clear. It smells really nice. Quite fruity as well. It's definitely not too sweet. I love the smell of it. I feel like this one definitely has one of the best smells I've ever smelled in a shampoo. And now for the Amino Deep Repair Algae Mask. This one uses the dual algae essence with also 18 types of amino acids in there that helps to deeply penetrate into every single strand of hair that you have to help to nourish it, moisturize it, repair it. And this is apparently really good for colored hair, or if you have done like perming or quite damaging to your hair. This is apparently really good for it because it helps to keep your color lasting longer and your styles lasting longer as well. It's a creamy, milky kind of consistency, easy to glide on. It's very creamy. It feels very nourishing. It's a nice pleasant scent. It's not overpowering. It's pretty light. So I just saw the prices in my press release. The shampoo is apparently $16.90 for a huge bottle. 500 ml for $16.90. That's actually pretty amazing. Quite a good price. And for the mask, it is $22.90, 200 grams for this. As you guys can see, my hair is pretty much damaged. I use heat on it very often, every single day almost. I color my hair once a month as well. Just very damaged, it's very dry. I bleached it as well a few times, so as a result, it's very brittle. I've got pretty dry ends especially, a lot of split ends. Even though I get them trimmed once a month, they come back quite often because of the sheer amount of damage I do to it every day. You know, it can be much better. So if you're like me, if you have dry, damaged hair, or even if you have frizzy, unmanageable hair, this product says that it can fix these things and you can apparently see results in just one use. So that's what we're testing out today. This is this side I'm gonna be washing and this side I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna first shampoo my hair as per normal, pump some in my hands and lather it into my hair, including my scalp, and then I will rinse it off, then go in with the Amino Deep Repair Algae Mask. I was told to use a ping pong size amount, not too little but not too much as well, because I've got pretty long hair. I think it's quite a good amount to spread around the entire hair, and leave it on for a few minutes and rinse it off. So now I'm gonna have you guys follow me into the shower and I'm gonna show you guys how it lathers up, how it looks like immediately, what are the steps that I do, and let's go. Okay guys, I'm back from showering and lunch because I wanted to air dry my hair and show you guys how it looks like. Exactly the same environment, given the same amount of time to dry, and I use the air dry method because that's like the most natural way, right? The first thing that came to my mind as I stepped out of the shower was it just made my whole room smell so nice. Like, it is a very nice fresh scent. And this side was the one that I washed with the Amino Amazingly Deep Moist Shampoo as well as the Amino Deep Repair Algae Mask. Whereas for the other side, I just rinsed it with water. And what I did was I just lathered it with water, and I would say it didn't really become like super dense or super creamy, but that's also because there's no silicone and no sulfates in their product. With shampoos that really lather up to like super creamy or super foamy, I would be a little bit skeptical and scared because that's also a sign that, you know, there's silicone and sulfate present in the formula. But whereas for this, I'm quite surprised that with no silicone or sulfate, it was still able to lather up into a very nice creamy foam that allows me to work into my hair and my scalp quite easily. And then with the Deep Repair Algae Mask, like I said, it was so buttery and creamy. Honestly, I didn't really need that much. And what I did was I made sure to remove as much moisture as I can before going in with the mask, because I feel that that's how you can get the most concentration of the mask. So what I did was I just applied it all across my hair, focusing on the portions below my ears. After applying it evenly across the entire hair, I just went in with my fingers to comb it through so that it can get deeper and penetrate deeper into the hair as well. And then sat on it for about 3 minutes, and 3 minutes later, I just rinsed it off. It was surprisingly really easy to rinse off considering how buttery it was, but as we tested on our hands earlier, it didn't really leave me with like a very heavy or oily, greasy feeling. Honestly, with my hair right now, I feel like I can still afford to go in with a hair oil on top of it. Don't have to worry about a hair mask that would weigh your hair down, because this one definitely doesn't do that. I think the results are pretty obvious, and as you guys can see, my hair is so much more shinier. It's like really soft. Look at that. Honestly, really impressed. I have naturally straight hair, so you guys can see that this actually dried down to a very straight and very manageable kind of texture with not a lot of flyaways. But for this is my natural hair, kind of like jagged, you know, and my split ends, they're quite bad. Got a little bit of flyaways, it's a little bit frizzy as well, as you guys can see over here. I think this proves that in just one use, you can see visible results. The results don't show as much in like visually compared to how soft it feels. Like I can significantly feel the difference between the two. I'm just gonna run my fingers through these two sides of my hair and show you guys how soft it is. Yeah, I really like it. I think this one deserves a thumbs up and recommendations from me. It just made my hair feel so smooth and soft and really shiny and silky as well. And the best part is the scent. And plus, you won't break the bank because you can find them in the drugstore. It's pretty affordable at $16.90 and $22.90. There's also a different variant, which is the moist and smooth variant, which transforms tangled hair into silky smooth hair. Whereas for the deep moist variant, it's for dry and frizzy hair into smooth and lustrous hair. So I think it does what it says, and I'm quite amazed that in just one use, it really works. That's it! I hope you guys enjoyed this review and first impression. I highly recommend it. I think it's quite a good product. I will continue to use it, and if it all goes well, you'll see it in my favorites video. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!